Okay, CB radio check mark. Radio testing, radio testing. Yep, you too. Just check the CB radio out, that works. Now for the truck, I'll turn the key on once and off. The battery light comes up and the dashboard lights come up. Turn the key second time, the truck starts up. Got the wipers. Flick it again, it goes faster. Flick it third time, it goes faster. Flick it again and it goes off. Trailer attachment, you could attach a trailer up to it. Parking brake. Parking brake's off. Pull it again. Parking brake's on. Hazard lights. It's on. Do it again. It's off. Got the beacon lights. Do it again. It's off. You got the lights off. On. And you got the fuel light. When you're at a gas station, push that, the fuel will go into the truck. You've also got the map, tells you where you are. And then you've also got the GPS navigation. So when you push the GPS, you'll see that change. Okay, then you got the job button, job info. That changes the job info. And you got the damage. Tells you the info of your damaged truck. I've just shown you everything working. The outside view. Again, hazard lights, beacon, and you've got the lights, the wipers, and we will now switch the truck off, and that's everything working. Go out of the game.